Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to uninstall or install any phones in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just move your mouse cursor to the start menu icon and just click on it and just search for one option name as phone settings. So you can see your phone settings option. Just click on it. Now it will take you to the phone settings options. Now you can see here tons of phones that has been installed already on your respective Windows computer. So you can just click or select any phone. So let me click on here and just scroll down below, and now you can see your uninstall. So to uninstall, just click on this uninstall to uninstall this already installed phones. So now if you want to install it, you can do two ways. You can, if you're using a Windows 10 or 11 computer, then you can go to the Microsoft Store and you will see here tons of phones. You can just select any one of phones and download and install it from the Microsoft Store. And if you're using a Windows 7, then you can do one thing. Just go to just open any web browser and just search for phones download, and you can see a tons of options that is available to download, and you will see a tons of websites where you can download third-party phones. So let me click on here. So you can see here tons of phones, right? So let me just select one phones from here, and now you can see on the right side download. Just click on it for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click to extract this zip file. Just open the folder. Now you will see here some files, right? So you can see here in the first file, this file is a .ttf, that is a true type phone or the open type phone, whatever phone. You can get two different types. So let us check its properties. So it's a OTF, it is an open type phone. So Windows computer supports OTF or true type phones also. If you see a true type phone also, still it is compatible with Windows. So you can do two ways to install this kind of phones on your respective Windows computer. The first method is just double click it and you can see here install. So by clicking on install, you can install it. Or if you're using a Windows 11 or 10, just go to the phone settings. So you can see here, you can just drag and drop also here. So you can see here the phone has been installed. So you can see here aesthetic notes, you can just open it, and if you want to uninstall it, just click on uninstall. Now it will get uninstalled. So it has been uninstalled. So this is the way how to uninstall and install any phones in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, just click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.